This beautiful 2006 Mercedes E350 4MATIC just came in on trade. This is a very nicely equipped car with navigation, heated seats, Harman Kardon sound system, and power rear shade. A prior Mercedes-Benz certified car, this car shows like new inside and out. We're very impressed with the caliber of this vehicle, and we're sure that it will impress you as well. Please take a moment to look at all the pictures and call us with any questions at 801-256-3333. You can email us at gm@americaautogroup.net. Thanks for looking, and once again, please enjoy all the pictures and call with any questions.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear.